Chapter 4. Agriculture.
Agriculture is the science or art of cultivating the soil, growing and harvesting crops and raising livestock. Agriculture is a primary activity. Primary activities include those occupations which are closely related to man's natural environment. The agricultural revolution is related to the cultivation and harvesting of crops, which led to people settling in one place instead of following a nomadic hunting-gathering style. Importance of agriculture. Basic needs. Agriculture is the most basic form of human activity to provide food, vegetables, fruits and other basic necessities of life. It also produces animal products like milk, wool etc. Raw material. A large variety of agro-based industries like cotton, jute, sugar mills depend upon agriculture for their raw materials. Employment. Agriculture provides employment to a large number of skilled as well as unskilled workers. About 50% of the world's population is engaged in agriculture. However, the percentage varies according to the level of development of the country. Very high percentage of people of underdeveloped countries is engaged in agriculture, whereas in developed countries less percentage of workers is engaged in agriculture. Types of agriculture. 1. Subsistence agriculture. Subsistence agriculture is the type of agriculture in which crops grown are consumed by the farmer and his family. The main motive of the farmers is to satisfy the needs of his family. A greater part of the land is used for growing food crops. The farmer normally has no surplus product to sell in the market. Subsistence agriculture is generally of two types: A. Shifting cultivation. B. Sedentary cultivation. Shifting cultivation. Under the shifting agriculture, a small piece of forest land is cleared by felling the trees, cutting the bushes and grasses, and the cleared land is used for cultivation. The crops are grown for a few years and then the cultivator shifts to a new site. This type of agriculture is practiced mostly by the people living in the tropical forest. Shifting cultivation is known by different names in different areas. It is known as humming in India. Shifting cultivation is normally discouraged because it is responsible for deforestation, which has adverse impact on the environment. B. Sedentary cultivation. Sedentary cultivation is practiced at one place by settled farmers. This type of cultivation is prevalent in the monsoon lands of Asia. The main feature of this type of cultivation is that the farmers have small plots and most of the work is done by members of the family. Livestock farming is an integral part of this agriculture. Animals help in different agricultural operations and supplement farmers' income. Animal dung is used as a manure. Most of the farmers use traditional methods of agriculture, but some rich farmers use modern machinery like tractors, harvesters etc. 2. Commercial agriculture. Under the commercial agriculture, farmers grow crops to sell in the market. Profit motive is the basis of commercial agriculture. Farmers grow both cash as well as food crops. This type of cultivation provides raw material to agro-based industry. 3. Extensive agriculture. This type of agriculture is practiced in the mid-latitude grasslands in the interior of the continents. It is done on large scale and most of the activities are carried out with the help of modern machinery. The agriculture farms are very large, with average extent being 400 hectares. This type of agriculture is found in Soviet Union, Argentina, Australia etc. Per hectare production may be less, but total production is very high. Wheat is the major crop which is grown under extensive agriculture. Barley, oats, rye and flax are also found. This type of agriculture is practiced in areas of low population density where vast stretches of land are available for agriculture. 4. Intensive agriculture. Under the intensive agriculture, high yield is obtained by applying higher and modern inputs like fertilizer, pesticide, high-yielding varieties of seeds etc. Crops are grown on small land holdings. Per hectare production is more, but total production is less. This type of agriculture is carried on mostly in monsoon lands of Asia, including India, China, Japan, Bangladesh and Malaysia. 5. Plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture was introduced by Europeans to meet the demand of tea, coffee, cocoa, pineapple etc. The main objective of the plantation agriculture is to export products. Tea plantation of Assam in Sri Lanka, rubber plantation of Malaysia and coffee plantation of Brazil are some of the examples of plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is a labor-intensive work. Many workers are required at each stage. Point 6. Mixed farming. It is that type of agriculture in which equal importance is given to livestock as well as cultivation of crops. In other words, food and fodder crops are given equal importance. It is practiced in USA, Western Europe, Russia etc. Mixed type of farming is also practiced on small scale in some parts of India like northwest Punjab. Under the mixed farming, farms may be large or small. The proportion of land devoted for crops and for rearing varies according to the location of the farms, the soil fertility, market demand and prices of crops and animal products. Major crops of world. 1. Food crops. 2. Fiber crops. 3. Beverage crops. 1. Food crops. Food crops are those which are used for human consumption. Rice, wheat, maize are the major food crops of the world. A. Rice. Rice is the most important food crop of the world. It is the staple food of about 50% of the world's population. Geographical requirements. I. Temperature. Rice needs warm temperature and it is a crop of tropical climate. It requires temperature ranging between 16 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. E. Rainfall. Rice needs abundant rainfall. It grows well in areas having 100 to 200 centimillisecond of annual rainfall. It can also be grown in those regions where assured irrigation is available. E. Soil. Rice can be grown in a variety of soils, but loamy or clay soils are preferred because these have the ability to retain water for a long period. World distribution of rice. India and China are the leading producers of rice in the world. More than 90% of world's production of rice comes from India. West Bengal is the largest producer of rice in India and China. Bangladesh, Indonesia, Burma, Japan are some other minor producers of world. B. Wheat. Wheat is the main food crop of the countries in the middle latitudes. Wheat is classified into winter wheat and spring wheat on the basis of season of sowing. Geographical requirements. I. Temperature. It is a crop of temperate region and grows well in cool climate. It requires temperature ranging between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius during the growing season and about 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius at the time of ripening. E. Rainfall. Wheat requires less amount of rain as compared to rice. It grows well in areas which have annual rainfall between 40 to 80 centimillisecond. Heavy rainfall is harmful for the plants. E. Soil. Although wheat can be grown in a variety of soils, yet heavy clay or loamy soils are preferred, because these are rich in humus content. World distribution of wheat. Russia, USA, China, Canada, India, France, Argentina and Australia are the main producers of wheat. India is the fourth largest producer of wheat in the world. In the United States and other European countries, wheat is grown under extensive mechanized agriculture. More than 50% of the total production is exported. C. Maize. Maize is an important cereal crop. It is used as food as well as fodder. USA is the largest producer of maize in the world. But major portion of the production in USA is used as fodder. China, Russia, Brazil, Argentina are other producers of maize. 2. Fiber crops. Fiber crops are those crops which provide fiber. Cotton and jute are the two major fiber crops. Cotton. Cotton is the most important fiber crop of the world. It is a universal fiber. Cultivation of cotton is a labor-intensive work which provides employment to large number of people. It provides raw material to cotton textile industries. The quality of cotton depends on length of fibers, fineness, strength and color. Long staple, cotton is considered the best cotton in the world. Most of the cotton grown in India is of short staple. Geographical requirements. Cotton is the tropical crop and can be cultivated in those areas which have frost-free days. 1. Temperature. It is mostly cultivated in the tropical and subtropical regions having an annual mean temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Abundant sunshine is necessary during the growth of the plant. E. Rainfall ranging between 60 to 100 centimeters is adequate, but it should be well distributed throughout the year. E. Soil. Cotton can be grown on a variety of soils, but black clay and loamy soils which retain moisture are ideal for cotton cultivation. World distribution of cotton. USA, China and India are the major producers of cotton in the world. India is the third largest producer of cotton in the world. Cotton is mainly produced in Punjab, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat etc. B. Jute. Jute is a tropical fiber plant and grows well in the delta region of the Ganga-Brahmaputra valley. It is used to manufacture carpets, ropes, strings, bags etc. Jute is the golden fiber of India. Geographical requirements. I. Temperature. The jute plant needs high temperature. It requires temperature ranging between 27 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. It also requires high relative humidity. E. Rainfall. The jute plant needs heavy rainfall and it is best grown in those regions which have rainfall of about 170 centimeters to 200 centimeters. The rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. E. Soil. Jute grows well in alluvial soil. The alluvial soils are made up of fine silt deposited by rivers. It is one of the most fertile soils of the world. The jute plant depletes the fertility of the soil very rapidly. World distribution of jute. India and Bangladesh are the two leading producers of jute in the world. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute in India. It alone produces 62% of the total jute of the world. 3. Beverage crops. Tea and coffee and two most important beverage crops of the world. A. Tea. Tea is one of the important beverage crops of the world. It is processed from the leaves of a shrub which grows well on hill slopes in tropical monsoon regions. Tea plantation is labor-intensive work which many workers. Geographical requirements. I. Temperature. Tea is a tropical and subtropical plant. It requires annual range of temperature between 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. E. Rainfall. Tea plant requires heavy rainfall between 150 centimeters to 200 centimeters. The rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. The roots of the plant cannot tolerate stagnant water. E. Soil. The plant requires a light loamy soil with a porous subsoil that allows the water to drain away. Hill slopes are preferred for tea plantation because water can drain away easily. World distribution of tea. India, Sri Lanka, China, Japan, Indonesia and Bangladesh are the major producers of tea. The main tea growing areas in India are the hill slopes of Assam and Nilgiris. West Bengal and Assam are the largest tea producing states in India. B. Coffee. Coffee is an important beverage crop in the world. It grows in tropical highlands which have hot summer and cool winter. Geographical requirements. I. Temperature. Coffee plant needs temperature ranging between 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Coffee plant cannot bear frost. E. Rainfall. Coffee plant needs rainfall ranging between 150 to 250 centimeters. The rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. E. Soil. Coffee plant grows well in deep, porous and water-retentive soils with high humus. World distribution of coffee. Brazil, Colombia, Indonesia, Mexico are the major producers of coffee in the world. Brazil is the largest producer of coffee in the world. Though India is not a major producer of coffee, but some coffee is produced in South India. Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu are the major producers of coffee in India. Other important crops: sugarcane, rubber, sugar beet, groundnut, oilseeds are some of the other important crops of the world. 1. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical plant and is the main source of world's sugar. I. Temperature. Sugarcane requires over 20 degrees Celsius temperature throughout the year. Very high temperature retards the growth of the plant. Frost is also harmful for the plant. E. Rainfall. It grows best in areas receiving 75 cm to 150 cm rainfall. It can also be produced with the help of assured irrigation. E. Soil. Loamy, clay and alluvial soil are suitable for sugarcane. It can also be grown on black and laterite soil. The sugarcane plant depletes the fertility of soil. Hence, the use of manure and fertilizer are essential to ensure high yield. World distribution of sugarcane. Brazil, India and Cuba are the major producers of sugarcane in world. Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane and sugar of the world. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane and sugar in the world. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana are the leading producers of sugarcane in India. The sugarcane grown in India is of the thin variety with a lower sugar content as compared to the sugarcane cultivated in Cuba and Brazil. 2. Rubber. Natural rubber is the latex of the tree Hava brasiliensis, native of the Amazon equatorial forest. The economic importance of rubber arises because of its elasticity and insulating property. It is used in the manufacturing of tires, tubes, shoes, cushions, cables, wires etc. Geographical requirements. I. Temperature. It requires temperature ranging between 21 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. E. Rainfall. Rubber tree requires a heavy rainfall. Rainfall of more than 200 centimeters is needed. Rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. E. Soil. Rubber tree requires well-drained laterite fertile soil. World distribution of rubber. Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand and India are the major producers of natural rubber in the world. Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are the main rubber producing